Welcome back to the build. We are still digging piers. We finally got a nice day. It's actually going to be nice for the next 3 days. So we're going to try and get this done. Started on this sewer line hole. Got down a little bit. I need to do the rest by hand so we don't hit that pipe. We're going to dig that out and sleeve it. I'm going to kind of skip this one right now. Start on this one. Put some dirt in the trailer. We're moving dirt over there kind of to fill in where it's washing out a little bit, but we definitely have good uses for all the dirt, so we're just going to dig a hole. These are pretty easy to use. When you get in, you push this down and that activates the machine, makes all the controls live. Once you start it, this lets you go forward and backward. You can do it by hand. You know, you do this to turn, or you can use your feet. This pedal here lets you rotate the arm. This lets you rotate the whole cab. And pushing it forward pushes out the far stick, pulling it back brings that far stick toward you. This one, you go left, scoops the scoopy bucket, you go right, dumps the scoopy bucket, push it forward, it pushes this part down, bring it back, it brings this part up. Once you kind of get coordinated and figure out what does what, it clicks and you can kind of run it all at once. This little handle here raises and lowers the blade, which helps stabilize you, or you can use it to kind of do some light grading. But that's all. It's pretty easy. Got a little work to do with the loppers. And clean this up with the shovel. And then we should be done. Restrung all the strings just to double check, make sure all my pads are lined up where they need to be, and they're looking pretty good. So now I'm going to cut some rebar and make some tic-tac-toe patterns. 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot. Just make a little grid so we have reinforced footings. There's all the rebar stakes that we used in the garden to hold up the peppers. Recycle, reuse, all that. See how much we can get done with this, and then whatever else we need we'll order. But that's probably going to handle most of it, so that's good. It's not really hot today, but it's about 95% humid. And it's trying to rain, so I'm trying to get some of this done. Ten twists is too much. I think 8 will do it. That's it. Or 9. Let's do 9. Just sort of eyeballing it. Make sure we got pretty close to center here. Looks good to me. All right. to get a piece of 6-inch pipe to use as a sleeve around the sewer. Stuff's not cheap, it's like $3 a foot, but you gotta do what you gotta do, so I need 3 feet of it. So I'm gonna cut that and start making this sleeve. Alright. Yeehaw. Now, go put this bad boy together. Alright, let's see if this works. Well, look at that. Except our tracer wire is not in there. And now it is. Alright. Tracer wire. Do we care about tracer wire? I don't think so. Screw it. Get out of there. Alright. That works pretty darn good. It's already, glue's already set. Alright, and that is how you build a sleeve for your sewer line. Pour concrete on it, and if we ever have to get it out, we can pull it out from underneath this pier. Just worked pretty good. Well, that's it. Quick, easy video. Did some ditch digging and got our porch piers done. The footings, rebars in it, ready to pour concrete. Inspector will be here Monday to sign off on it, and then we'll be pouring concrete and stacking blocks. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.